what's up? So, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to the vlog. For today's video, magbubukas tayo ng aming in-order sa Amazon. So, just purchased this last week. And, you know naman Amazon, napakabilis nila. So, yan. We're just gonna open this box. And by the way, kagaling ko lang sa work. Okay, so for our first item, this is macadamia syrup. Kasi naubos ng aming coffee syrup. So, binilang ko si Angel ng bagong namin ita-try. So, ito gusto na namin talaga i-try siya before pa. So, yan. At least meron na kami ngayon. Okay, so dilipat natin yung camera kasi medyo madilim dun sa kabilang side. So again, this is 1883 Maison Routine. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is the brand. And we're going to give it a try. And we'll let you know guys kung talagang masarap siya. Pero we've been craving for macadamia ever since we went to Hawaii. So, yeah, we're gonna try it and we're gonna tell kung masarap ba siya or okay ba siya bilihin. So that's our first item here. Second one is sa mga pinakakailangan ko noon ko pa wini-wish na dapat bumili na ako is yung panglinis ng aming laptop. So ito. I'm gonna open it for you guys. Excited ako kasi ngayon na lang ulit kami nag-purchase online. So, yeah, the box is really good. Tingnan mo. Sobrang ganda ng packaging, in fairness. Makapal. Oh! So, it comes with two bottles. That 100 ml and 8 ml. So, ito pwedeng pang travel. And ito naman yung talagang mismong bottle. And i-review din natin siya sa weekend, guys. So, ito naman yung kanilang towels na appropriate dun sa mga laptop. And cellphone, ganyan. Sa salamin, pwede rin. So, yan. We're gonna try it sa weekend. And I'll give you an honest review for this product. Then, lastly, I ordered my case kasi sobrang laki ng case ko and recently sumasakit nga yung mga kamay ko. So ngayon kakapahinga ko lang sa brace kasi buong araw ako naka-brace since bumalik na tayo sa work today. So ayan, ano bang brand nito? I'm not sure which brand. Fashion Design. So ito siya guys, and this is the color. I think it's a green color. Not sure which one I bought. Pero alam ko puti yung binili ko. Pero I really can't tell because of the light. So, ito siya guys. Super excited na akong gamitin. Yun lang naman guys.
The next day.
Yingi. Una. Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. So, ngayon nandito kami ulit sa Regina. Bumalik kami.
Mga galaera.
Para maggala-gala lang kasi naka-day of Sinday. So, yun lang guys. So, itutour namin kayo ulit ngayon sa iba naman tayong part ng Regina. Ito yung kanilang mga sports bra, guys. Ayan, iba-iba. May New Balance, Under Armour. Ang ganyan yung mga ganito, yellow tag, clearance. $19 na lang siya from $40. Ito yung Adidas. Ganito yung mga pang kids. Pang cute. Super cute. May kasama ng short. Wow, nice. Ang cute. Super cute. Jordans for the kids. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Ito yung mga shoes. So yung mga ganito naka-sale from 100, 69 na lang siya. Ito din mga clearance. They also have sports gear here. Mostly pang hockey. As you all know, is yung Canada. They're very good at their sports, especially hockey. Pang swimming. Nice. Speedo. They also have this warm-ups sa kamay. And I think meron din sila. Meron din sila sa paa. This is only $1.99.
That's good.
So haven't tried those. Yung toe warmers naman ay $2.99. Ito naman mga brand.
Hi guys! We're here na sa Costco. So, sadly wala kaming nabili dun sa Sport Check. Wala
Okay lang
masyadong
yun.
magagandang
Okay lang. Wala masyadong maganda, guys.
Pero at least naman nakapasyal tayo today. And ngayon, next stop natin is Costco.
Tour naman namin kayo ulit.
Samahan nyo kami. Tutor namin kayo. Tara na guys. Tara!
So yun nga pala, guys. Dito na rin nilipat yung Winners saka yung HomeSense. Diyan na sila sa tapat ng Costco. So yun yung Costco. Ayun na si Angel. Tara na. Ayun yung mga bagong deals nila, guys. AirPods Max. So they also have luggages. This one is Air Canada, Swiss Gear. And ayan, ang dami pa. Ito. Yung mga breads nila, iba-iba. Sobrang daming toilet paper. Ito yung mga made good cookies.
Ibang flavor, no?
Hello Panda. Mas malaki pa. These are all protein drinks and snacks.
Protein flavor.
So yan. May cold brew, protein cold brew, vanilla flavor. Ito yung mga snacks. By Kirkland, they also have this Gatorade chocolate caramel. Ooh, this is new. Whey protein. Hi guys! So kakalabas lang namin ng HomeSense tsaka ng Winners. Doon pa kami talaga nakabili kung kailan hindi ako nag-vlog. So yun naman, umikot lang kami guys. Tingin-tingin lang. Tamang nagpababa lang kami ng aming kinain. And nakabili naman kami. Ito yung nabili ko. Ice cube.
Sa dami ng
Tray.
nakita niya talaga yung binili niya.
Yan. So, yan. Cute. Kasi nasira na yung mga ganito namin. And then, binilan na rin si Angel ng kanyang case. Ayan. At naka-sale pa nga siya, guys. Oh, $10 lang. So, i-test niya na to. Dali na, bebe. Ayaw. Sinira na. Ganda naman. Anong pangalan? Papi?
Papi.
Ayun yan na pong buksan yung ilalim.
Wow.
Okay,
Ganda.
try it out your phone.
Ganda.
How was it?
Ganda.
So, ganito yung tsura niya, guys. This is one of Angel's colors. Ito na rin yung blue. Ito nagpapalagay siya ng cuticles. So, yan na. Try niya na. Kasi fit. Manipis naman. Wow! Nice.
Ganda.
Wow. Ang
Cute.
ganda.
Worth it ang $10.
Mali, super chic. Ang ganda. Ang ganda guys, oh. Oh, Ganda pa.
Buti nakita mo siya sa likod. Ganda.
Super cute. So, yun na. Dito naman kami sa Walmart, guys. So, dito naman namin kayo tutur. Kanina kasi sobrang daming tao. Crumble. Sobrang ganda ng flowers, guys. Tulips. Yan itong bouquet. Super ganda. Ito yung clothing section. Yan, pang kids, adults. Dito ata pang curls. Tim Hortons. Sobrang big din sa kanila ng Easter. So they have all the good stuff here. Yan, nag-Easter egg hunting sila. They all have bunnies. So they have candies as well. Have this kind of different kinds of egg chocolates, Reese's, Hershey's, and sobrang cute. Super cute. Oh, this one. Asan na yung mga sisiw? I saw it over there. Here are the sisiws. Really want to try this. You know.
Wanna try it?
Yeah. It's a marshmallow. Wow, this is so huge. Tumo, ang lalaki ng chocolate. Di ba chocolate to? So, all of them are milk chocolate. Grabe ang lalaki nila, guys. Look at this. It's shaped like a hamburger. And it's a truck. And this is like for sports. Then there's a dog and a cat. So cute. And they have bunny. They also have the white chocolate. So yeah. And they all have the Kinder Surprise na malaki. Grabe. Sobrang big deal talaga sa kanila, guys. So we're going to buy Luna's treats. So meron din silang ano,
Two different.
yeah,
not
they
hard.
have like the
Egg.
egg edition
Wow.
for Easter. Wow, cutesy. So this is for Luna. It's a freeze-dried Chicky Licks.
Yung heart.
Okay lang yun.
Okay na yun,
Para
no?
matry niya naman iba. So, ayan. Yun yung gusto niyang snack eh. She really likes it.
Wala na ubos na.
So, ito yung sa mga cats. Na canned food nila. Wet food. Ayan. Pero ayaw kasi ni Luna. Na-try na namin. Karamihan. Medyo picky din siya. Picky eater. Picky eater siya. Hindi siya tumulad sa mga moms.
Sino mo, meron yung puree, pero ayaw mo siguro.
They also have that.
Oh, different?
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate flavor.
Ayan. You can buy her another.
Then,
It's not that naman expensive.
yan na lang. Baby,
So, dito lang kasi meron eh. But we're not sure. Maybe in Walmart din sa Wayburn. Baka meron din sila. We're not gonna buy her. Yan. Mga toys nila. May ibang food, which is kakabili lang natin last time. They have Hershey's frozen fruit and frozen Reese's.
Chocolate mousse.
Oh, I think I like that. I want that. And there's a
chocolate
Toblerone.
tart.
Wow. So, bago lang namin to nakita. I don't know if you already tried this one.
Different.
Yeah. So, which one do you like to try? Cheesecake or cheesecake? Gusto ko may try eh.
So, may Baileys doon na. Pwede ka na lang.
I don't know. We choose. These are the vegan options. They have Filipino options as well. They have Goldilocks. May ensaymada. They also have the siopaw Goldilocks here. Hi guys, so we are just ending our vlog for this week's our weekend vlog kind of thing. So we are doing it more on maybe a week, 1 week or 2 weeks worth of vlog for you guys. So ayun guys, we're just ending this vlog kasi I've been sick for a while, like I'm having problems with my wrist. So, I'm having trouble editing some videos. But, yeah, I'm doing my best to keep up and upload some videos that we took this past few days. So, ayun guys. Hope to see you on the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe to this channel. See you again soon. Bye!